Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing some wood turning in my shop, and I'm going to be using my new lathe that I just bought off of Facebook Marketplace. It came with a whole bunch of chisels as well as other tools for wood turning, so I'm really excited to test it out. I have here an old Craftsman lathe that I believe it was built in the 60s or 70s, and if you have not seen some of my videos in the past, you can go back and watch those. I used a lathe that I built myself, and it just worked great, but it didn't have the possibilities as a manufactured lathe has. So I'm really excited to test this out and have some fun today making something. So I decided to make a wooden cup out of this dried piece of firewood that I have here. This didn't come with any chucks or face plates and other attachments for the lathe, so I'm really limited in what I can make. So I'm going to try my best to make a cup and hollow it out on this lathe, even though I don't have a chuck or faceplate to mount this to. Eventually, I'd love to get a couple faceplates and chucks to mount the wood onto the lathe, so that I could hollow stuff out like bowls and cups and different things. So until then, I can try to make this cup the best I can. A very simple way to drill it out and then put it back on the lathe and hollow it out a little bit more, and then I'll finish up the finished shape on the lathe as well. Here is the finished cup, and this is still a little rough. It's a very simple cup. The inside as well isn't as hollowed out as I would like it to be, but I'm really limited without a chuck or a faceplate. But until then, this is still a great design and a simple way to make a cup. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you want a notification when I upload a new video, hit that bell icon, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video as well. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.